Hello teacher. Today I will talk about time my computer broke. Yeah. Last week when I was watching a movie, my laptop suddenly turned off. I checked the battery and power cord. After that, I found no problem. So took my laptop to the store and asked for technical support. The technician advised me to replace the screen because it was broken. Uh, he also advised me to check the screen regularly. Uh, I realized the screen for uh, $100. In addition, they advise me not to put the laptop in a wet place and not to drop it. Thank you for listening.